Hey, hello, and welcome on to this video where I'll be showing you how to design this kind of minimalist or iconic logo. It's the logo. I'll be walking you through the step by step required to have this kind of logo design within 5 minutes. The first thing is for you to have the concept of what you are trying to achieve. As we have it here, we have art core. It means that this icon that we have on this logo stand for letter A. Grab your line segment to draw a perfect straight line. Now this line, duplicate it. Now join the two lines together, Ctrl G on your keyboard. Now click on hard to rotate this line. Click on enter. Give it angle 60 degree. Click on copy. Now drag it somewhere around here. The next thing is for you to duplicate this lines by clicking on Alt on your keyboard for you to duplicate and drag. Now this one you have, you just click on letter, um, just click on and click on transform, click on reflect. Now give it a vertical reflect, click on copy. Now drag it so that it can form a perfect letter A. Now we have something that look like that. You grab everything, come to your shape builder to click on it, give it a fill. Now draw out the letter here. Perfect. Click on this one we have here, ungrouped. Now click on the one that have fill. Press Ctrl X on your keyboard to cut. Ctrl A and delete. Press Ctrl V. We have the icon here. Now the next thing is for you to have your letter. The main word set, click on text here. Now write at core here. Center everything by come to your this horizontal alignment. We have your letter core, at core, sorry. That's how to design this kind of logo. Just next for you just to give it for aesthetic look, you can just grab it here, press Alt on your keyboard and drag it to your right hand side. Next thing is for click on rectangular tool, draw a rectangular over this logo and give it black fill and give it 5 or 3 stroke is okay. Now change the color to any color of your desire. Let me use red. Okay, now the next thing is when you send it to back, click on it, arrange send to back. The one you have here, give it a white color. Likewise for the name here, give it a white color. Boom. We have a perfect looking and nice logo. Just have the concept of let how to know how to design the letter A. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button and like this video and share this video to your friends. See you in the next video. Bye for now.